Okay, so let's talk about the backhoe itself. The way the backhoe is set up now is it'll dig down approximately 17 feet. Now, extending it out, it'll go an additional 3 feet. See how it extends out? What I also want to show you is lower it down to the ground, Tony. Right there. Lower the boom. Okay, this is the extend-a-hoe pin right here. We pull this out. And we stick it right here in this hole. Put the cotter pin back in. Well, I won't put the counter pin in, but I'll show you right now. That will keep the extend-a-hoe from going in and out. We need to have this pin in while we're using this machine, this bucket with a different attachment. We take the bucket off, we put on a hoe pack, or we put on a breaker. We need to have the extend-a-hoe all the way sucked in. If we don't, it's going to put a lot of pressure on this section of the boom and dipper stick, and it's going to crack and break open.